Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, in the previous session we were discussing about the topic called as trigonometric functions of allied angles. So today in this session we shall continue with our trigonometric functions of allied angles. So in the previous class we had learnt about the basic things, very basic things that we shall repeat once again what we had seen here. That is, we had seen about the basic thing, that is sine of, what it is, sine of minus theta, that is nothing but minus sine theta. Then cos of minus theta, that is nothing but here cos theta. Okay dear student, these two are enough, I think so. Then similarly tan of minus theta, that is nothing but here minus tan theta. Then we had learnt about cot of minus theta is here minus cot theta. Then we had learnt about secant of minus theta, that is nothing but positive, it becomes, that is secant theta. Then cosecant of minus theta, the value will be minus cosecant theta here. Okay, that is a sine of minus theta, trigonometric function of minus theta in terms of theta we had learnt. This is the one thing. Then afterwards we had learnt about the sine of pi by 2, okay, pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, it comes in the first quadrant. First quadrant all are positive, so what we get here, that is sine changes to cos theta. Then cos of pi by 2 minus theta, okay, it also comes in the first quadrant. First quadrant cos is positive, cos becomes sine here, sine theta. Then tan of pi by 2 minus theta, what it is, nothing but here cot theta. Okay, then we are having cot of pi by 2 minus theta, that is nothing but here tan theta. Okay, and then at last that is secant of pi by 2 minus theta, that is nothing but here cosecant theta. Okay, cosecant theta. At last cosecant of pi by 2 minus theta, the value will be here secant theta. Okay dear students, these all things, pi by 2 minus theta, as well as we had learnt about the pi by 2 plus theta. Now I will explain what happens here in this pi by 2 minus theta as well as pi by 2 plus theta. Okay, so here let us see the difference here. Sine of pi by 2 plus theta, the value will be cos theta, plus becomes, then cos of pi by 2 plus theta. In the second quadrant cos is negative here, that is minus sine theta. Then comes the tan of pi by 2 plus theta, the value will be cot theta, minus cot theta. Then cot of pi by 2 plus theta, the value will be minus tan theta. Similarly secant of pi by 2 plus theta, the value will be, okay, secant means here what we have, pi by 2 plus theta, what we get here, that is cosecant theta here. Pi by 2 plus theta, the value will be minus cosecant because 1 by cos here. Then similarly cosecant of pi by 2 plus theta, okay dear students, the value will be, that is nothing but 1 by sine, that is nothing but here what we get here, that is secant theta. Okay, these all things which we have discussed in the previous class. Now let me explain all these things in only one single diagram. Okay, in only one single diagram let me explain all these things here. So what we are having here is, this is a very important manner to understand it. So here of course we are knowing that we are having the 4 quadrants. Okay, now in the first quadrant what happens, all are positive. In the second quadrant what happens here, that is only sine and 1 by sine, okay, sine and cosecant are positive. In the third quadrant, okay, that is only tan and cot are positive. And in the fourth quadrant ASTC, that is cos and secant are positive. So here in pi by 2, okay, minus theta, okay, that is nothing but here pi by 2 minus theta, what happens here in the first quadrant, all are positive, sine changes to cos, okay, value changes here. What happens here, value changes. Similarly here also pi by 2 plus theta also, okay, that is nothing but here pi by 2 plus theta also, what happens here, the value changes, sine becomes to cos, cos becomes to sine here, tan to cot, cot to tan, secant to cosecant, cosecant to secant here. And the sine depends on ASTC rule. ASTC means all are positive, sine and cosecant are positive, remaining are negative. Okay, similarly cot of minus theta, okay, that is minus theta, it comes here, okay, minus theta, it comes in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant the value remains same, value same. value same, the value remains same, whereas the sign depends on AST's rule. That means in the fourth quadrant only cos and secant are positive, remaining all things will be negative only. Okay, these are the very very important things for you to remember here. Okay students, now let us begin our discussion related to what it is, related to that is 180 trigonometric functions of 180 minus theta in terms of theta. So the first one, so directly we will move on to the examples here, that is directly move on with the trigonometric ratios, that is nothing but sine of 180 minus theta. 180 means pi here. So what we can write here is, that is nothing but here sine of 180 means, can I write it as 90 plus 90 minus theta, can I write here. Now here that is nothing but, if I consider this as value as theta, ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 90 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 90 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 90 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 90 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ means what happens here 90 plus theta, which comes in which quadrant, second quadrant. Second quadrant sine becomes what it is, first of all write down some cos here value changes, sine becomes cos. Then here in this second quadrant what is the sine value, it is positive here, so therefore we get it as positive. Cos of what is the remaining part, 90 minus theta. Is it clear? Then again cos of 90 minus theta, cos of 90 minus theta means it comes in the first quadrant, the value changes, that is cos becomes sine theta here, cos becomes sine here, and next in the first quadrant all are positive only, that means cos is positive or not. We have to check for not sine here, we have to check for this cos whether it is positive or not. Okay, so therefore what we get is cos of 180 minus theta, okay sorry, that is a sine of 180 minus theta is equal to, that is nothing but sine theta. So what we get here, sine of 180, that is nothing but here pi, okay, pi minus theta, it comes in again in the second quadrant only. Okay, this is the first one. Then the second one, that is nothing but cos of 180 minus theta. Cos of 180 minus theta, can I write it as cos of, again same as it is 90 plus 90 minus theta here, 90 plus 90 minus theta, this I will underline here, that is cos of 90 plus theta here. Okay, cos of 90 plus theta, what is this 90 plus theta here, let us examine here. Okay, that is nothing but cos changes to sine here, sine of 90 minus theta here, what we get here, cos becomes sine here, but cos of 90 plus this whole thing is theta here, 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta comes in which quadrant, second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is what, negative here, that is very important to understand here. Okay, now here pi by 2 plus theta minus theta value changes, and sine depends on AST's rule. First quadrant all are positive, second quadrant only sine and cosecant are positive. Now the last thing, that is minus sine of 90 minus theta, 90 means pi by 2 minus theta, it comes in the first quadrant. First quadrant sine is positive and here sine becomes here cos, so therefore what we get here is minus cos theta. So what we get here, that is minus cos theta I get here, that is cos of 180 minus theta. Finished, these two over. Then third one, tan of 180 minus theta. Dear students, just I will divide it, that is sine by cos here, sine of 180 minus theta divided by cos of 180 minus theta, that is sine by cos, that is tan minus sine, that is minus tan theta. Okay, directly I am solving it. Tan means what, sine by cos here. Fourth one, next one is cot of 180 minus theta. ಈ cot ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, 1 by tan, 1 divided by tan of 180 minus theta. 1 by tan ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, cot minus sin as it is, that is cot theta here. What we get here, that is cot theta. Then fifth one, okay, fifth one what we have here is, that is secant, that is nothing but secant of 180 minus theta here. Now secant of 180 minus theta, what is the value here, secant means what it is, 1 by cos, 1 by cos of 180 minus theta, 1 by cos theta, 1 by cos theta andre no, minus secant theta. Okay, the value will be minus secant theta. And the last one, sixth one, that is cosecant, cosecant of 180 minus theta. Okay, the value will be, what will be the value here, that is 1 by sine ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥಲ್ಲ, 1 by sine of 180 minus theta, 1 by sine theta, 1 by sine theta means cosecant theta here. Okay dear students, so now what we can conclude here is, Okay. Now here we can observe that if it is pi plus theta, pi minus theta, it is pi minus theta here. What happens in pi minus theta? Value remains same. Sine to sine only, cos to cos only, tan to tan only, cot to cot only, secant to secant only, cosecant to cosecant only. That means here value remains same here. What happens? Pi by 2 minus theta, sorry, pi minus theta, the value remains same here. Very, very simple thing here. Okay. Now let us begin with the next thing. That is the fifth one, trigonometric functions. Functions of 180 minus theta in terms of theta, 180 minus theta in terms of theta here, that we shall learn here. Now what we are having here, that we shall examine here. Okay, that is nothing but directly I will solve it in this only first one, that is sine of 180, it is plus here, plus theta, sine of 180 plus theta. Very, very simple it is. Dear students, these are all the basic things which you have to learn here, and these are nothing but the building blocks also. Depending on these, okay, that we are going to learn, that is the forthcoming exercise problems, as well as your first PUC, second PUC, even though if you go for engineering or any other BSc, that is mathematics included courses, these will be very, very important point of view. Okay. Now 180 plus theta, same as it is, what I can do here is sine of 180, can I write it as 90 plus 90, okay, plus theta. Now here what I will do is sine of 90 plus theta, sine of 90 plus theta means it comes in the second quadrant, sine changes to cos here. What is the remaining part? 90 plus theta, and sine value is positive in the second quadrant. Now what is the value for cos of 90 plus theta? Again it comes in which quadrant? It comes in the second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative and cos changes to sine theta. So cos of 180 plus theta is minus sine theta. This is what we obtain here. Okay students. Now the second one what we have, cos of 180 plus theta. Okay, cos of 180 plus theta. Now cos of 180 plus theta means cos of 90 plus 90 plus theta here. If I take it as theta only, if I take it as theta, okay, what happens here? That is cos 90 plus theta. Okay, I am considering this whole thing as theta here. 90 plus theta, it comes in which quadrant? That is second quadrant. Second quadrant 90 plus theta. What happens here? That is nothing but here cos changes to sine of 90 plus theta here. Okay, second quadrant cos changes to sine, and the second quadrant cos, what it is? It is negative. At last, that is nothing but minus sine, as it is sine of 90 plus theta, it comes in the second quadrant, sine changes to cos here, and sine is positive. So what we get here? That is cos of theta. So what is the value here? That is minus cos theta. This is our required thing. Then the third one is very simple. Just I will make use of the interrelationship between the trigonometric formulas. What it is? That is nothing but tan of 180 plus theta. Tan means what? Sine by cos. Okay, tan means what? Sine by cos. Sine of 180 plus theta divided by what we have? Cos of 180 plus theta. Sine by cos, that is nothing but minus sine theta divided by minus cos theta. What we get is tan theta. It becomes positive. Okay, I will rewrite here. That is nothing but here sine of 180 plus theta divided by cos of 180 plus theta. Now what is the sine of 180 plus theta? The value is minus sine theta divided by minus cos theta. Minus minus get eliminates. The remaining part will be tan theta. What we get is tan theta. Now that is nothing but here tan of 180 plus theta, the value will be tan theta. Okay, the value will be tan theta. Then similarly the fourth one what we have? That is cot of 180 plus theta. Cot of 180 plus theta means 1 by tan anta arthali, interrelationship, that is nothing but 1 divided by tan of 180 plus theta. Now here 1 by tan means 180 plus theta, the value is tan theta. 1 divided by tan theta, tan of 180 plus theta is tan theta here, and 1 by tan will be cot theta. Okay, will be cot theta. So ultimately what we get is, that is a cot of 180 plus theta is equal to cot of theta here. What we get is cot theta. This is the fourth one. Next, the fifth one. Fifth one, we are knowing that is secant of. That is secant of 180 plus theta. Dear students, 180 plus theta andre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, that is 1 by cos ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Secant means what? 1 divided by cos of 180 plus theta. So here now here cos of 180 plus theta, that is nothing but minus cos theta. 1 divided by minus cos theta, that is nothing but 1 by cos means that is nothing but secant theta. What we get is minus secant theta. So ultimately what we get is that is secant of 180 plus theta, that is nothing but here minus secant theta, that is nothing but here required result. And similarly the last one, that is nothing but here cosecant. Cosecant of 180 plus theta. Okay, cosecant of 180 plus theta, that is 1 by sine. 1 by sine, that is 1 divided by minus sine theta, that is nothing but here minus cosecant theta. Okay dear students, these are all nothing but what it is, these are all nothing but the trigonometric functions of 180 minus theta and 180 plus theta in terms of theta. Okay dear students, now let us learn about this 270. Okay, 270 means 3 pi by 2 minus theta and 3 pi by 2 plus theta. This we shall learn here. So before going to that, please pause the video to note it down. Okay dear students, now just now we had learnt about the trigonometric functions of 180 minus theta as well as 180 plus theta. Now what happens here is, okay, now what happens here, that is nothing but here, so in this four quadrants, okay, that is nothing but here minus theta. Minus theta, it comes in which quadrant? That is fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, that is nothing but cos and secant are positive, remaining all are negative here. In the first quadrant, all are positive here. So here it becomes pi by 2. Pi by 2 or 90 degrees it is. I can call it as 90. Here it is minus theta. 90 minus theta here. And here, whether it comes, that is nothing but here 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta means what happens is value changes. Value changes. Here also value changes. Value changes means what? Sine to cos, cos to sine, tan to cot, cot to tan. Okay, secant to cosecant, cosecant to secant. Then afterwards, and here it is nothing but sine and cosecant. Cosecant are positive. Then here it is 180. 180 minus theta and 180 plus theta. 180 minus theta, the value remains same here. For always for 180, that is value same. Value same. Okay, and also 180 plus theta also. Okay, 180 plus theta value remains same. And here in the third quadrant, okay, it is our second quadrant. In the third quadrant, only tan and cot are positive. Only tan and cot are positive. Now let us learn our discussion regarding 270 degrees. 270 degrees minus and 270 plus here. And at last, one complete rotation, that is 360 minus and 360 plus theta. That also we shall learn here. Okay dear students, now let us begin our discussion with our this thing, that is nothing but here 180 270 minus theta, 270 minus theta, that comes in the third quadrant, that comes in the third quadrant. Now let us observe here. So already you had learnt about, that is sine of 270 minus theta, trigonometric function, that means sine of 270 minus theta. What I can write is sine of 180 plus 90 minus theta. Now here sine of 180 plus theta, 180, this whole term I will take it as theta here. ಇದನ್ನ theta ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಂಗಾರೆ 180 plus theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಉಳಿತದ. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಉಳಿತದ್ರೆ ಏನದು, that is nothing but cos of 90 minus theta I will have. Cos of 90 minus theta. Okay, now here, sorry, value remains same, and sine becomes sine only. Next thing is sine of 90 minus theta. Sine of 90 minus theta means it comes in the first quadrant. First quadrant andre value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Sine becomes what it is, cos here, cos of theta. But now here sine of 180 plus theta, it comes in which quadrant? Okay, that is nothing but here third quadrant. Third quadrant, the sine value is negative. Okay, the sine value is negative, and here what we get the value as minus cos theta. So what we can write here, that is the sine of 270 minus theta, that is nothing but here minus cos theta, here minus cos theta. One thing. Then the second part, that is nothing but cos of 270 minus theta, that is nothing but here cos of, that is 270 means what it is, 180. Okay, 180 plus 90 minus theta. Now here this value 180 plus 90 minus theta, that means here, okay, now here which is equal to, now here 180 plus theta, idanna whole anta theta anta ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Cos of 180 plus theta, the value remains same. ಅಂದರೆ cos is ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, cos of 90 minus theta ಹೆಂಗಿದಂಗೆ ಉಳಿತೈತಿ. ಆದರೆ cos ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೈತಿ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅದ. cos is negative in the third quadrant. At last, that is minus, as it is cos of 90 minus theta, it comes in which quadrant? First quadrant. Cos becomes what it is, sin theta here. Cos becomes sin. In the first quadrant, cos is positive there, and the minus sign as it is. So therefore, what we get is cos of 270 minus theta, the value will be minus sin theta here. The value will be minus sin theta. One thing. Now let us learn about the third one. The third one, what it is, that is nothing but here tan. Tan of 270 minus theta is equal to, okay, what we have here, that is the tan of 270 minus theta. Now what we get here, that is nothing but here same sine by cos. Sine of 270 minus theta divided by cos of 270 minus theta. Sine of 270 minus theta means minus cos theta. Cos of 270 minus theta, okay, that is nothing but here minus sin theta. That is nothing but here I will rewrite sine of 270 minus theta divided by cos of 270 minus theta. Now what is the value for sine of 270 minus theta? That is nothing but here minus cos theta divided by cos of 270 minus theta, that is nothing but minus sin theta. The value will be cot theta. The value will be cot theta. So ultimately what we get is tan of 270 minus theta, the value will be cot theta. The value will be cot theta. One thing. Then comes the fourth one, that is nothing but here cot of 270 minus theta. Okay, cot of 270 minus theta. The value will be here, that is nothing but 1 divided by tan of 270 minus theta. Tan of 270 minus theta. Now what is the value here? That is nothing but here tan of 270 minus theta is cot theta. So what we get, 1 divided by cot theta, the value will be tan theta. What is the value? The value will be tan theta. So ultimately what we get is cot of 270 minus theta, the value will be tan theta. Okay, that is nothing but our required value. Now the last two things, that is nothing but here fifth one, secant. Secant of 270 minus theta. Secant means 1 by cos here. Okay, 1 by cos of 270 minus theta. Now here that is nothing but 1 by cos of 270 minus theta, that is nothing but 1 divided by minus sin theta. The value will be 1 by sin is cosecant minus cosecant theta. Okay, secant of 270 minus theta means minus cosecant theta. At last the sixth one, that is cosecant. Cosecant of 270 minus theta, students, that is nothing but here sine of 270 minus theta. Now what is the sine of 270 minus theta value? That is nothing but minus cos theta. 1 divided by minus cos theta. 1 by cos means what? Secant, and minus term as it is. So ultimately, dear students, so what we get is 270 minus theta. Our discussion, sine of 2 pi, that is 3 pi, 270 minus theta, cos theta. Sign changes. Cos becomes sine, tan becomes cot, cot becomes tan, secant becomes cosecant, cosecant becomes secant. So here what I can write is value changes. Value changes. That means value changes here. Value means what? Sine to cos, cos to sine, tan to cot, cot to tan, secant to cosecant, and cosecant to secant. Now what about this plus and minus sign? It all depends on this ASTC rule here. ASTC rule means what? Here only tan and cot are positive, remaining all are negative. For example, tan of 270 minus theta, it is positive. Cot of 270 minus theta, it is positive. Okay, and all else remaining value, that is minus, okay, minus sign, and here we can observe that it is minus and minus. That means here in this 270 minus theta, okay, it comes in the third quadrant, the value changes, sine to cos, cos to sine, and so on. And here the sign depends on this ASTC rule. ASTC rule means in the third quadrant only tan and cot are positive, remaining all values will be negative. Okay, dear students, this is a discussion about of 270 minus theta. Now let us learn our discussion related over, that is trigonometric functions of 270 plus theta in terms of theta. Very, very simple thing it is. Okay, very, very simple thing. Now how to solve it? It is very, very important. Same as it is, we have to follow the steps here. The first one, that is a sine of 270 plus theta. Sine of 270 plus theta means what I can write here? That is sine of 180 plus 90 plus theta here. Now what is the value here? Sine of 180 plus 90 plus theta. 180 plus 90, that is again 270 here. 180 plus theta, I will consider this whole thing as 180 plus theta. Sine of 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta. What happens here? Value is same. The first thing is value is same, that means sine to sine only. And here the value for this sine, whether it is positive or negative, 180 plus theta, it comes in the third quadrant. Third quadrant only tan and cot are positive, remaining all are negative. So therefore what we get is minus sine of 90 plus theta. The next one is minus sine of 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta, it comes in the second quadrant. Second quadrant sine is positive, and here the value changes. What happens here? That is value changes here. Sine becomes cos here. Sine idiyen agate, cos agate. So what we get here is cos of theta. So ultimately what we get is sine of 270 plus theta, the value will be minus cos theta here, minus cos theta. Then the second one. Second one here is cos of 270 plus theta. Again same as it is, cos of 180 plus 90 plus theta. Okay, cos of 180 plus theta, the value remains same, cos becomes cos only, cos of 90 plus theta. What about the sign? Cos is negative here, which is equal to minus cos of 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta, it comes in second quadrant. Second quadrant, cos becomes sine here, okay, sine theta here, and along with that this cos value in the second quadrant, it is negative. So therefore minus into minus, what is the value here? We get the value as plus here. So what we get here, that is nothing but here cos of 270 plus theta, value will be sine theta. Cos of 270 plus theta will be sine theta. For example, how to verify it? 270 plus theta, where does it comes? It comes in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, sine it is negative because only cos and secant are positive, remaining all are negative. Similarly, cos of 270 plus theta, it is positive. We can observe that the value is positive we get here. Okay, dear students. Now let us learn about the third one, that is the tan of 270 plus theta. Either value ಏನು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ ಈಗ. Tan of 270 plus theta, can I write it as sine by cos here? Sine of 270 plus theta divided by cos of 270 plus theta. That is minus cos theta divided by sin theta, the value will be minus cot theta. Directly I will write it. Then fourth one, that is nothing but here cot of 270 plus theta. Okay, cot of 270 plus theta, that is 1 by tan here. 1 by tan means 1 by cot ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ. 1 by cot ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, that is minus tan theta I will get. Then the fifth one, that is secant of 270 plus theta, that means 1 by cos ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥಲಿ. 1 by cos ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, 1 by sin ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥಲಿ. 1 by sin means what it is, cosecant. Cosecant theta. At last the sixth one, cosecant. Cosecant of 270 plus theta, the value will be 1 by sin ಅಂತಾರೆ. Cosecant ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, 1 by sin. 1 by sine means what? Sine means what it is? Minus cos. 1 by minus cos andre what we get? Minus secant theta. Okay. Now from all these conclusions, okay, from all these conclusions, what we are able to learn here? Only one single property I can choose for all these formulas. These are all formulas. One single property. What is that? 270 plus theta. It comes in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. One. ಎರಡನೇದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ the value sine becomes cos, cos becomes sine, tan becomes cot, cot becomes tan, secant becomes cosecant and cosecant becomes secant. ಒಂದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಬರ್ದೇನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದೇನಿ. That means here we got two conclusions. One is at both north and south poles. So what happens here? Value changes. Here also value changes. And the sign, sign what means what? Whether it is plus or minus depends on this AHTC rule. That means here only cos and secant are positive. That means we can observe that here sine it is negative, okay, cos it is positive, cos and secant it is positive here. Only both are positive, remaining all are what it is? Negative in this quadrant here. Okay dear students, this is all about what it is. That is nothing but trigonometric functions of 270 minus theta and as well as 270 plus theta. Okay dear students, okay, now let us continue with our discussion regarding, okay, minus, that is 360 minus theta as well as 360 plus theta, that we shall see. So before going to that, please pause the video to note it down. Okay dear students, just now we had seen about the trigonometric functions of 270 minus theta as well as 270 plus theta. Now let us start with the trigonometric functions of 360 minus theta in terms of theta, that we shall examine. So before starting with this, one we have to observe that it is very clear, that is here always remember sine of 360 minus theta, okay, or 360 minus theta, it is equal to what it is? Minus theta, that we had learnt already in the first video. Okay, now here that implies what we have is sine of 360 minus theta. What is the value for sine of 360 minus theta? Is sine of minus theta. Sine of minus theta value is minus sine theta value, minus sine theta. Okay, next one is cos of 360 minus theta, the value will be cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta value will be in the fourth quadrant, cot is positive. What we get here? That is cos theta. Similarly tan, that is tan of 360 minus theta, that is sine by cos, what we get here? Minus tan theta. Similarly cot of 360 minus theta, the value will be here, that is the opposite of that, that is cos by sine minus cot theta, minus cot theta. Okay, one thing. Then comes our secant, that is secant of 360 minus theta, which is equal to, what is the 360 minus secant? That means 1 by cos. That means here secant theta, and at last that is nothing but cosecant. Cosecant of 360 minus theta, the value will be, okay, that is 1 by sine. 1 by sine means what it is? Minus cosecant, cosecant theta. Okay dear students, what it is? It is all about the 360 minus theta. Where does it comes here? 360 minus theta means it comes in the fourth quadrant. Now let us learn about the 360 plus theta, that comes in the first quadrant. Okay, fine. Next heading is trigonometric functions of, okay, that is 360 plus theta in terms of theta. Okay, what it is? In terms of theta. Now what we get here? That is nothing but here 360 plus theta, that means dear students it comes again in, that is nothing but first quadrant only. First quadrant it comes means it completes one whole revolution. One whole revolution means again the values of trigonometric starts from the beginning, that is from theta, okay, plus theta only it carries. That means here 360 plus theta, that is nothing but here theta itself. So therefore what we get here? That is sine of 360 plus theta, okay, the value will be sine theta. Okay, then of what we have? Cos of 360 plus theta, the value will be cos theta. Then we are having tan of 360 plus theta, the value will be tan theta. Similarly cot, what we get here? Cot of 360 plus theta, the value will be cot theta. And similarly secant of secant of 360 plus theta, the value will be secant only, okay. And at last cosecant of 360 plus theta, the value will be cosecant theta. That means you require to remember only this particular thing, okay. That is 360 minus theta value will be minus theta, and as well as 360 plus theta value will be theta. Okay, dear students, in this particular session what we had learnt is 180, okay, plus theta, 180 minus theta. Then we had learnt about the 270 plus theta minus theta, 360 minus theta, as well as 360 plus theta. Now all this, that is the trigonometric function of allied function, a simple method to understand it, that we shall examine, okay. What actually that simple method is, let us learn here, okay. That is shortcut method, what we can call as shortcut method to remember, shortcut method to remember the topic here. Now what it is, trigonometric functions of what it is, allied angles, that we shall examine. Now let us start. That is nothing but here x axis, okay, x dash, negative x axis, then comes our y axis, and it is nothing but y dash here. Okay, now here it is nothing but our 0 degrees, or I can call it as here 0 degrees, or you can call it simply theta, that is nothing but here, or else it is nothing but here 360, 0 degrees or 360 degrees. Then it is nothing but our 90 degrees, okay, or you can tell it as pi by 2. Here it is nothing but here 180 degrees, or in the bracket pi. Then it is nothing but here 270 degrees, or 3 pi by 2 here in terms of radians. Now here it is nothing but our first quadrant, it is nothing but our second quadrant, third quadrant, and then the fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant all are positive, okay. In the second quadrant here sine and cosecant. So now if you are remembering only sine, that is more than sufficient, that is ASTC rule, that is all are positive, sine and 1 by sine means what, cosecant. AST, T means what it is, tan and 1 by tan, that is nothing but cot are positive. Then at last that is nothing but AS, T and C, that is nothing but here cos is positive, and 1 by cos, that is secant is positive, and remaining all other values will be negative here. So here sine depends on the ASTC rule here, one thing. Now let us begin our discussion. The first thing is 90 minus theta. Now here in north and south poles what happens is value changes, value changes. That means what, here 90 plus theta, okay, sine of 90 plus theta, it becomes cos. 90 minus theta into sine becomes to cos, cos to sine, and 90, okay, then plus theta, the value changes. That means sine to cos, cos to sine, tan to cot, cot to tan, secant to cosecant, cosecant to secant, okay, one thing. Then here at this particular thing, that is nothing but here, or at this 180 and 360, value remains same, value is same. Here also what we have to remember, that is value is same, value is the same, one thing. Now let us study about the main thing. So now what we have, the first rule that we have to understand. Now here at both 90 plus or minus theta and 270 plus or minus theta, value changes. That is, first one is at 90 plus or minus theta and 270 plus or minus theta, value changes. What do you mean by that? That means sine to cos and cos to sine. Then we are having tan to cot and cot to tan. Then we are having secant to cosecant and cosecant to secant. The value changes. That is the first step. And the second step is very simple, that is the sign, that is positive or negative. Sign depends on ASTC rule, that is ASTC. That means all are positive, sine and 1 by sine, that is cosecant, are positive, then tan and cot are positive, and cos and secant are positive. Okay, these are the nothing but what it is, two important okay points to remember. So if you are knowing, understanding all this thing, that means your job is over here. Okay, it will be very very simple for you to understand here. Okay, dear students, now let us examine. For example, if you are 90 plus theta, what we are having, if suppose you are having sine of 90 plus, sorry, it is minus theta, it comes in which quadrant? First quadrant. That means sine becomes what? Value changes. Value changes means what happens here? Cos theta. Sine is positive or not? It is positive. So what we get? Sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Similarly, we can take it as a tan. Okay, tan of 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 minus theta means always 90 minus theta means it comes in the first quadrant. Tan becomes what it is? Cot here. And what happens here? And tan, what is the value for tan? Sine for tan is positive here, because in the first quadrant all are positive here. In that manner you can understand first thing. Okay, now let us continue with the discussion regarding the second quadrant. The second quadrant means what it is? If you can take here cos of 90 plus theta here. Okay students, 90 plus theta means it comes in the second quadrant. So now here 90 and 270 plus or minus theta, cos becomes sin theta. Okay, 90 plus means sin theta. Value changes. And cos, and what is the cos here? Cos is negative, because only sin and cosecant are positive. So what happens here? Minus sin theta. Similarly, we can take one more example, that is cosecant. Cosecant of 90 plus theta value. Now cosecant becomes what it is? Cosecant becomes secant here. Okay, and next here cosecant becomes secant, that is value changes. Sin depends on AST's rule, that means cosecant is positive in the second quadrant. So therefore what we have is cosecant of 90 plus theta. Okay dear students, it is all about what it is? Discussion about the 90 plus theta. Okay, that is 90 plus theta, it is nothing but here 90 minus theta. Then we are having, that is 180 plus theta it is, and here we will have 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta means also it is same. 180 minus theta means value remains same here. Value remains same means we shall understand that is nothing but here sine of 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta means value same, sine to sine only. Then sine, whether it is positive or negative in the second quadrant, sine is positive. What we get? Sin theta. Similarly, we can take it as cot. Cot of 180 minus theta. So cot, the value remains same, that is nothing but here cot theta only, and cot whether it is positive or negative here, it is negative. So therefore what we get is cot of 180 minus theta is minus cot theta. Okay dear students, now let us observe the next one, that is 180 plus theta. So now 180 plus theta, it is similar to our, that is nothing but here sine of 180 plus theta, value remains same, that is nothing but sine only, but the sign depends on AST's rule, that is tan and cot are positive, remaining values will be negative. And similarly we can have for our 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta. 270 minus theta, the value changes. 270 plus theta also value changes, and the sign depends on the AST's rule, that is all are positive, sine and cosecant are positive in second quadrant, tan and cot are positive in third quadrant, and cos and secant are positive in the fourth quadrant. Okay dear students, this is all nothing but our shortcut method. Okay, shortcut method, one single step to remember all the trigonometric functions of allied angles. Okay dear students, it is nothing but our simple, okay, and easy method, very very easy method to remember our trigonometric functions of allied angles. One more thing what we have to remember is, if suppose we have sine of 720 we are having. If suppose we are having sine of 720 means that is nothing but here sine of 2 into 360. That means after one complete revolution it repeats. Okay, after 360 it repeats here. That means here 2 into 360 means one revolution and then the second revolution. Is it clear? So now these kind of problems we shall study now. That is nothing but our exercise number 3.2 we shall continue now. Okay dear students, so before going to that, please pause the video to note it down.